Now what we are going to do, we are going to use CSS framework Bootstrap for this video tutorial. Okay, just go to Bootstrap, get bootstrap.com. From here just download Bootstrap, download. Once you downloaded Bootstrap, you need to extract from the folder. Just right click on it and extract. If you have WinRAR, otherwise you can install WinRAR. Just copy these two CSS and JS folder, cut it and paste it inside www phpcrude. Paste it here, paste it. We are going to make two more files inside CSS and JS. Just write style.css, JS will be main.js. Okay, now open your index CSS. You need jquery, jquery. Click on jquery download. From here, compressed production version I want. Control A for select all, Control C for copy, and inside JS I'll create a new file, jquery.min.js. It should be JS, not JOS. Edit it. Okay, Control V for paste all the code. We need to use this image. Just rename this to bg. Okay, bg.jpg. This is the image background image URL. It should be bg. Save it, reload the page. Okay, perfect. Okay, our HTML and styling has been done. Now let's make it little bit precise. Just from this beginning body tag, just cut it, Ctrl X, and create a new folder inside partials. From here just create a new file, head.php, paste it here, Ctrl S for save. Okay, from this navbar just Ctrl X for cut this navbar, and inside partial create a new file, nav.php. This is the file name. Ctrl V for paste. Okay, from the end I want, okay, from the ending just cut this, cut from the footer, Ctrl X, footer to ending HTML, Ctrl X and Ctrl V inside a file that will be footer.php. Ctrl V for paste. Ctrl S, save it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import all of them, header, footer and navbar. Just write php tab. If you install it, php auto text plugin, I show you in the beginning of this video. You can do like this, just write php and tab. From here just write require once we want the file that is partial slash head dot php. After this closing bracket, give a semicolon, otherwise it will not work. Below this header we need to import nav. Okay, just change the name to nav. At the end we need to import footer. Just write footer.php, save it. Once again reload the ps. It should okay, it's same as the previous one. That means it is working perfectly. Now inside config we are going to make a file that is db.php. Inside this file we are going to create our database. Okay, before that go to localhost /phpmyadmin. Here we are going to create, read, update and delete all of them interaction with our database. We are going to do for the first time. When you open, it will ask for username and password. Just give the username root and password will be blank. Now we are going to create database. Click on this database. From here, name of the database name will be CRUD and create. Okay, now go to Google and search for PHP MySqli. From here, click on from php.net. This is the official website of PHP. From here, this is the connection. This is how we can make connection to the database. Now click on this dual procedural and object oriented. We are going to use procedural. Copy this example to copy it. This is the procedural. Okay, way just in PHP, you know the basic PHP, you need to give an PHP tag before and after. This will be a question mark and less than greater than sign. Okay, paste the PHP code inside here. Ctrl S for save. I am going to change the variable name connection mysqli connect. This will be localhost because we are running in localhost. User is root. I have shown you when I was login. Okay, password will be blank. Database name will be root that we made. Okay, save it. Echo we need to import this database inside our index.php. So just write php tab. There is another way to importing. Just write include once and config /db.php. Save it. Once again reload the page. You see connection is made successfully. It should have a semicolon.